Hey, what's up, fellas? We're gonna do a mystery tackle box unboxing. It's gonna be quick, easy, and painless, and it won't take long at all. I'm just gonna show you what's in the box. I'm not gonna elaborate a whole lot. First time I've opened it, I don't even know what's in here, so it'll be a surprise for me too. So right off the bat, we have Wacky Rig plus drop shot hooks, which probably would accompany, oh, those are cool. Yeah, they're like a clear, kind of a jointed rubber bait with these drop shot hooks. I think that is going to be awesome. We've got, again, swim baits, one of the best winter baits you can use, with a big old fat head and a hook there, pre-rigged, ready to go. These are made by Weston. They're called Hypo Tees. Never heard of that before. And this is called Biospawn. And by the way, these hooks are from Stickies. They're a 2-aught Wacky Rig drop shot. Got a cool sticker, Biospawn sticker. So we've got these little spinner blades that probably will be attached to these little slinky worms here, along with these Wacky Rig hooks. And that's going to be the jazz right there. We've got some winter swim baits. These things look pretty cool. Awesome. Those look good. These little screw-on blades, those look pretty cool too. And last but not least, we have a hard-bodied bait. It looks like a lipless crankbait on steroids. It's called Pure Japanese Style. It's made by Vicara, number 62. It looks awesome. Ooh, this feels really high quality, actually, and it's pretty dense and heavy. Yeah, that's nice. So this thing looks pretty nice. It's got a really, really detailed paint job. It's got a nice hook back, little couple bumps here, lure on top. So it looks like it's going to be a really good hard-bodied lipless crank. Vicara 62. Of course, the book. We got the Biospawn, some Wacky Rig hooks with some little screw-in blades for extra enhancement. Swim baits, they're always good. And a Biospawn sticker, which I'll stick on my GoPro box. And that is it. Thank you. Talk to you soon.